outstanding citizenship, and a well-rounded character. Selected by teachers across all departments, this honor recognizes a student who consistently demonstrates integrity, leadership, and an excellence both in and out of the classroom, serving as a role model within our school community. We would like to recognize the following students: Adriana Nieto and Justin Cruz. Our top scholar attitude awards. The top scholar attitude awards honors a student who exemplifies the perfect balance of academic excellence and athletic achievement. This award recognizes an individual who has maintained outstanding scholastic performance while demonstrating dedication, sportsmanship, and leadership in athletics, embodying the true spirit of a well-rounded student. The awards go to Adriana Nieto and Jesse Solis. At this moment, let's give our students a big round of applause.